after a long time, I'm meeting you today. I think it's been very long.
Yes, it's very long time.
Yeah, I
So
think maybe two.
are you talking to people like this every day?
Yeah, I talk every day, every day.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay. What to do? Only we two people are here. Children are out.
Mm-hmm.
So I, make my, lunch also. So I'll go and, prepare the dal. Then I'll sit, then again I'll go and make some rice. So in breaks, I go preparing my lunch, dinner, everything. Yeah.
Okay. So you are utilizing your time in both ways.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Anuja, whatever you wish to, like any story or vocabulary related to any sentences, whatever you wish from English,
Okay.
rapid fire round, anything, whatever you wish to, Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'll ask any random question. So do you have like any favorite teacher like you were when you were in school or college?
Yes, of course. Yeah. She also favored me too much, and even I like that madam of mine. She was a botany teacher. And
Okay.
in class 12, 11th, yeah, in 11th, yeah, 11th, 12th. Yeah. She always used to favor me, and the girls, they would feel jealous, every time this ma'am she calls Alka to keep the registers, to bring the register over here. Or if she wants to convey something to other classes, all the time she would send me, and I still remember her. Her name was Kamla Srivastava. I still remember her very well.
Okay, okay. So you were a favorite child, we can say. It's favorite
Yeah,
student of your
yeah, I
teacher.
don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe some reason she liked me. I don't know. So
Okay.
yeah, there are Tanuja like some vibes we have, that vibes, which matches with the other person. And I, for no reason, suppose I like you very much, and still I'm telling you this by my heart, I like Tanuja too much. And that's why I like Tanuja, because there are some positive vibes, going with in you, and
Mhm.
there are some waves, which matches with the other person. So that's the reason why I like you, because I'm not that familiar to. I have not been to your house. We are not, met any other physically, but only on these calls we meet, But
Mhm.
yeah, so that is maybe that's the reason she liked me too much. I don't know. Yes, yes,
Yes, it generally happens when we meet person. So some person have the like same vibe, we can say. So we feel like that, yes, that person is good for us, and yeah, we can talk or we can become friend also. So it generally happens.
yes, yes, yes.
And in my school time, like I was a favorite student of every teacher because I was very studious girl, and I used to sit in a front bench. So I was a favorite student of every teacher. But
Okay.
I had one favorite teacher. She used to teach us Hindi subject when I was in 12th standard. So, she was very calm and I can say humble teacher. And I had seen that she was a favorite of most of the students that time. And
Okay.
when I had last day of my school, so I cried a lot just because for my teacher that now I'm not gonna meet her. So that's why I was crying a lot.
Okay. 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 I think
Yeah.
we don't need an introduction of ours, because we know each other. If you want to, I think there's no need. As you wish. I don't know.
Mm, okay, if you okay, it would be good if you can introduce.
I created my channel just 15 days back. So these kind of things, recording, I every time forget, to have the other person introduction. And I
Oh,
just start talking, these are the things which I'm just, now I decided that I won't miss the introduction, Yeah.
okay. Yes, that would be good. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. My name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering in IT branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and I have total 4.5 years of experience in this field, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube also for 1.5 years, you can say. Yeah, that's all about me.
Very nice. So it's been 1.5 years that you are learning English, right?
Yes, yes.
That's the reason you speak so well. Okay.
Yeah.
And you want to have my introduction as well?
Yes, sure.
Okay. As you know, my name is Alka and I belong to city Lucknow. It's the capital of UP. And about my academic career, then I postgraduate in English, and I have two grown-up sons, and my husband is a retired banker. Yeah, if you talk about my hobbies, then I love reading and listening to music and playing one indoor game, and that is chess. Yeah, that's about me. So
Yes.
what do you do? Like, yeah, daily you go for the conversation.
Yes, you can say that I try to maintain one conversation every day so that I will be able to practice every day. And it happens sometimes if you are not speaking for very long time, like 4 to 5 days, and again when we have to start, so we feel like I think I forgot that language and I was fumbling a lot.
Same, same with me, I too feel these kind of feelings. Even I have, when I don't talk with anybody. So I
Hmm.
feel like something I'm missing too much. Like we miss our food, no. So the same kind of feeling I have that I'm missing too much today. And we feel like I'm not able to speak. Now when I'll speak to somebody, I'll fumble, I know. So these kind of thoughts run into our mind. Yeah.
Yes, it happens, and I feel like that I already know that language. So why I feel like I don't know or I'm fumbling that time.
Same here. Okay. So
Okay, so
you are from Jaipur, right?
no, Bhopal city.
Yes, Bhopal. Yes.
Have you ever been to Bhopal?
Yeah, so many times. My chachi chacha's house is there. But though
Oh,
they are no more, their children are there. Yes.
okay.
It's
So you
there's
love.
there is one MP Nagar. Do you know
Mhm.
that?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
there.
Okay, so you know. So you loved Bhopal or not?
Sorry.
You loved Bhopal when you
Yeah,
visited.
so much, yeah, it's such a good city, nice and clean, and greenery everywhere. And Bhopal is very, cool place. There's not so much of hustle bustle we have like in other cities, metro cities. So Bhopal is a cool place. I love it. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are right. And I think, whenever I have met with some people and they came here like in Bhopal and they lived here for some days or some years, so they always praise about Bhopal, like, yes, they loved the city and yeah, it's really beautiful and cool city as you told.
Yes.
Because it's not like so much hustle bustle, and I think it's a moderate city, we can say, not
Yeah,
too expensive, not too high, low. So
yeah,
that's why.
yeah. Not too expensive. Everybody can live there very happily. Yes.
Yes.
So
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Come on. Yes.
Okay, I was just asking one question. Do you ever receive such kind of compliment that you often receive about you?
What type of compliment you mean to say, good or bad?
Yeah, it's good about good compliment.
From any member,
Yeah, from
Okay.
anybody.
Okay. I don't, I I don't remember, yeah, once I remember when, yeah, very long back, when I
Hmm.
was in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra, no, Maharashtra state, whole Maharashtra state had organized that Hindi exam, and it was on the state level exam. So there I qualified on the third rank in Hindi, only in Hindi.
Okay.
So that time, yeah, on the school, I was the only one to qualify in the Hindi exam. On the state level, I was third position I held. So that time I was, in the school, I was so much appreciated. And then my teacher, also my class teacher, yeah, she gave me good remarks and she would praise me too much. And the class would clap me for that. That I
Hmm.
remember when I was in class ninth that time. Yes.
Okay.
So that certificate is still I'm having. So I remember only that incident. Yes. As such,
Okay.
nobody praised me. Nobody praised me. Nobody gave me good compliments. Yeah.
No, I think I have seen that some people who are really good at something, or maybe their behavior is quite good. For example, if I'll talk about me, so most of the people say like I'm very kind person and a very helpful person. So
Yes.
I often get this kind of compliment from most of the people.
Yeah. And you look like Tanuja, and I can make out from the face itself that how the person is. I don't know how can I judge. I judge everybody. Like you also seem to be so kind and generous to me. I think you are generous and kind with everybody. And by face, I can make out that you are so gentle, kind, cool, and yeah, such a good girl you are. Really.
Thank you so much.
So have you been to Lucknow anytime?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So it's not that far, from Bhopal. It's only an overnight journey, but still you
Hmm.
haven't come to, a city. So try to go. Okay, have you felt like going to Ayodhya or not?
Yes, yes, I want to visit there. I went to Delhi, Noida, and I visited so many places also because my work location is in Noida. So I visited so many places there, but I didn't get chance till now that I have to visit Ayodhya temple because nowadays I'm working from home, so that's why. But yeah, if I'll get the chance, so definitely I wanna visit there.
Okay, so you work somewhere. Are you in a job? I never knew that you are working somewhere.
Yes, I'm a software engineer. So currently I'm working from home, so that's why I'm in my hometown. But my work location is in different city.
Where it is?
It is in Noida.
Okay, Noida. Hmm.
So I lived there for just for 3 to 4 months only before Corona, and during the Corona I came back to my hometown, and now it is continuously work from home only.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
have you had your breakfast?
Yeah, in the morning itself, of course. Around 10 or 10:30, I had my breakfast. Yes.
Okay. So what you had prepared?
Yeah, today, cutlets. Yeah. Actually, we don't like frying anything or fried because it's summertime and we don't like. But like, there was, at night I had boiled some potatoes. So potatoes were there. So I thought of why not making um, cutlets. So I made cutlets.
Okay. So you love it. Okay. So what's your
Yeah,
favorite
of
food?
course.
Think about your favorite food.
My favorite food is like South Indian food. I
South.
love too much having idlis and dosas. I can eat, for the whole, 30 days. It's my favorite food. Yeah.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
much
And I love
love.
Chinese food a lot.
So you too like it?
Yes, yes, definitely. But if I'll talk about my favorite foods, I would say momos. I like uh, a lot. I can eat anytime.
Okay. So as you're talking about momos, no, I remember we had been to Dharamshala in Himachal.
Mhm.
So in Himachal, when we were, strolling that place, so every now and then there were so many stalls and so many vendors making these momos everywhere. Momos were seen so, everywhere in Dharamshala. Only momos in the evening time, also in the morning. Like we have samosas and jalebis in our place, no. So
Mhm.
the people eat like momos in the breakfast time. So
Okay.
much. Yeah. But I don't like it. I don't know why. I can't
Mhm.
eat more. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and I think I had tasted first time when I went to Noida. So that time I tasted first time, and I liked a lot. So whenever I get time, like to go outside in my place also, so
Yeah.
I try to have momos only. And sometimes
Okay.
I love Chinese food a lot, like noodles and Manchurian. So yeah, that thing also.
Okay. 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 You like Maggie too? You like
Yes,
Maggie?
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to cook now because I don't know cooking, so that's why Maggie is quite easy for me, so I can cook
Yeah.
anytime.
Yeah. It's very easy to make. Even children can make. Like the class 8, 9 children, they can also prepare very well. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. So I have one question. Like, what do you like most about life?
What about life?
Yes.
I like, traveling to hill stations. I wish about life and whenever I get chance, but almost I never get chance to go on the hill station. But yeah, I love to go. And that is the best part, I think, for the life to visit any hill station. So this
Hmm.
time also we had planned, for Nainital and Kedarnath, but we were not able to go, because the timings of my children and for us, it didn't match. Maybe in
Hmm.
October we'll go. We're planning to go in October. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
and the second thing, without asking you, and the second thing is like about the life. In the life, what I love. I love to meet with the friends, the older friends when I was in a child. So
Hmm.
that time of friends, I still love to meet them. and I'm planning to go to Mumbai and looking forward to go to Mumbai and meet my older friends from my school. So yeah, in winters I will be going there. Yeah.
Yes. I asked this question to you because I thought you can better answer this question.
Yeah. Okay. But in life, no, we should have some friends, right?
Yes,
A
right.
close friend of ours, and they are so close friend of mine that when I just joined the school, when I started, learning in the school. So when I just got the admission, so that time of friends still I'm having.
Yes.
So that is the
And
that is the best part of my life. The friends which I'm really connecting still now. Yeah.
yes, you are absolutely
See,
right.
my childhood passed with them, my youth passed with them, and now I'm old. So all the stages of life, I spent with them. But now only on phone calls, I often talk to them. Yeah.
Okay. But I think it's your true friendship that is still they are with you. And yeah,
Yeah.
most probably it happens that after marriage, we get separated and we don't even talk and we don't get chance to meet anybody. But for you, it is very good that you are getting chance. At least you are
Yeah.
connected
And,
to this age.
yeah. Chance also, and I'm very concerned about my friends. I'm also particular, and often I'll call them, and they too call me also. And my friends are always eager. Alka, when are you coming? We are waiting for you. So I love to hear from them. Yeah, so they're so excited to meet me. It's been very long. Yeah.
Yes, but I think it should be from both the side. Like if you are
Very-
if you are doing something for them, so they should also do. Then only your friendship will go last long.
Yes, right, right. Yeah, one-sided friendship can't live.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's why you are still with them because they are also doing some efforts and you are also doing efforts. So that's
Right.
why.
Yeah, that is the reason. Yes. Tanuja?
Are you planning to meet your son as well?
Yeah, yeah, this week only. I'm going to Noida. My elder one is in Mumbai. When I go to Mumbai, then I'll meet my friends.
Okay. And one is living in Noida.
Yes. Because my schooling started from Mumbai only. So that's why still I'm connected with them. My
Hmm.
KG friend, when my KG and when I was in class first, just imagine, so all my friends are, all have become like Dada, Dadi, and Nani, Nana, all have become old. And still we are connected.
Yeah, still I'm imagining all these things like
Yeah.
still they
Okay.
are with you.
Yeah, really. I enjoy with them, really, so much.
Yes, yes. It's really a pleasurable moment for us. I think it's a dream of so many like people that they want to have their friends till their last age also.
Yes, yes. And some of the girls who were with me in our group, so we have lost contact of the many of the girls because the surname changed after marriage. So we tried to trace them on Facebook, but some of my friends I were not able to find them. And because my surname that has never changed, it's always Chaturvedi, and still it is that only. So in our custom, we marry only in our community, right? So that's why my surname didn't change. So they are already able to trace me very quickly. Yeah,
Okay. Mm-hmm. That's nice.
yeah.
And I think it is a benefit of social media.
Of course, so much. I really social media, especially the Facebook. Facebook made us come together.
Hmm.
And so many of friends are abroad. Many of my friends are abroad too. And still, because of Facebook, we are WhatsApp. We all are still connected.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's a very good part for us. Like we can find anybody, and especially our childhood friends.
We know everything about our friends, because ins and outs, everything we go on discussing on phone calls. So I'm very close to them, everybody. Like
Hmm.
I'm having male friends of mine and female friends of mine. So because as we're in a co-ed school since the very beginning. So that's the reason, yeah. I'm connected with almost many of the persons.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you so much for
Okay.
your time.
Bye, Tanuja.
Bye bye.